saying something, Rado? Do you hear it? Finish me! Finish me! And I thought I heard it too.
Start it up.
All disqualified.
This is lit.
Just like that. And
Start it up. This is lit.
look how smooth this is. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around to watch that short compilation of throwing the turbo truck together. I did not document that build as well as I have like my Tahoe per se, just for an idea, so there wasn't as much content to go over with everything, but that was about the span of 4 years it took me to build that truck. 2019, start of coronavirus is when I started it. Finished it in 2023, so it was a very drawn out, long process, and just was hard kind of getting my wheels going. I just started out doing my own thing here with auto repair at the time, and just had a lot going on, and now things are kind of settling in to where we can get some content going and be able to do my auto repair stuff. So it's just a lot to ask out of one guy in this little 24 by 30 shop to just pound out videos and repair and do thing after thing after thing. So I do what I can, and I really appreciate you guys watching. We're going to have some more turbo truck content coming out this summer. We got the four-wheel drive in it. We got the automatic in it. Everything seems to be working well. I've got another computer coming for it. This that way I can get the alternator charging on it. And then from the last video where I actually was working on the truck, we did get some new hubs put on the front of it. So everything's sound up there now. And yeah, just going to try to use it some this year. So I really hope you guys follow along for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Considering commenting, liking, and subscribing if you want to see some more content. And if you'd like to give us a visit elsewhere, we're on Facebook and Instagram now, just Busted the Built. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.